Welcome to your moment of calm. Let the soft strings and flowing water guide you through the wonders of the wild. Our journey begins in the comforting presence of those who share our lives and lands. From loyal companions at home to the gentle grazers of the farm, these familiar souls remind us of the simple beauty in nature. Dog. Their sense of smell is at least 40,000 times more sensitive than a human's. Cat. They possess a specialized collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet. Cow. They have almost 360-degree panoramic vision, allowing them to see predators from all sides. Goat. They have rectangular pupils that provide a wider field of vision to spot danger. Sheep. They possess rectangular pupils that give them a wide field of vision for safety. Rabbit. Their ears can rotate 270 degrees to pinpoint the exact location of a faint sound. Guinea pig. They communicate through a wide range of vocalizations, including squeaking and purring. Llama. They are often used as guard animals for sheep because of their fearless nature. Guinea fowl. They travel in large, noisy groups to confuse and intimidate potential predators. House sparrow. They are highly social birds that often take communal dust baths to stay clean. Swallow. They can feed, drink, and even bathe while flying at high speeds over water. White-throated dipper. They are the only songbirds that can swim and walk underwater to find food. Leaving the pastoral fields behind, we step into the golden embrace of the Savanna. Here, under the endless sky, the Earth's greatest giants and swiftest runners live in a delicate balance of survival. Elephant. They are capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, a sign of high self-awareness. Rhinoceros. Their thick skin is actually very sensitive to sunburn and pesky insect bites. Wildebeest. They follow the rain to find fresh grass, traveling in massive, synchronized migrations. Oryx. They can survive in the desert by increasing their body temperature to avoid sweating. Greater kudu. Their spectacular spiral horns can grow up to 6 feet long in adult males. Ostrich. Their eyes are larger than their brains and are the largest of any land animal. Meerkat. They have dark patches around their eyes that act like natural sunglasses against the sun. Hyena. Their jaws are strong enough to crush and digest solid bones from their prey. Warthog. They often kneel on their front wrists while grazing to reach the shortest grass. Jackal. They are highly territorial and use a complex series of howls to signal boundaries. Prairie dog. Their underground towns can stretch for miles and house thousands of individual members. Puma. They have the largest hind legs in the cat family, allowing them to leap 40 feet. Caracal. They can jump over 10 feet high to swat flying birds out of the air. Red deer. Their antlers are the fastest growing tissue in the animal kingdom, growing an inch daily. The open plains fade away as we enter the mysterious world of the deep forest. From the towering canopy where primates play, to the hidden secrets of the forest floor, life here is vibrant and diverse. Wolf. They communicate with their pack using a complex language of howls, growls, and whines. Fox. They use the Earth's magnetic field like a compass to hunt prey hidden in snow. Leopard. They are incredibly strong and can carry prey twice their weight high into trees. Gorilla. They share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them close relatives. Chimpanzee. They are known to use medicinal plants to treat their own illnesses and infections. Mandrill. They are the most colorful mammals, with bright blue and red markings on their faces. Lemur. They use their long, ringed tails as flags to keep their group together while traveling. Proboscis monkey. Their large, pendulous noses act as an echo chamber to amplify their warning calls. Marmoset monkey. They frequently give birth to fraternal twins, which are cared for by the father. Red panda. They have a false thumb that helps them grip bamboo stalks while eating. Coati. They can rotate their ankles 180 degrees to climb down trees headfirst. Raccoon. Their sensitive front paws become even more responsive when they are submerged in water. Agouti. They can leap up to 6 feet in the air from a standing position. Tasmanian devil. They have one of the most powerful bites in the world relative to their size. Hedgehog. They are naturally immune to many types of snake venom, allowing them to hunt vipers. Skunk. Their oily spray is so potent it can cause temporary blindness in potential predators. Wild boar. They have a keen sense of smell and can detect food buried deep underground. High within the emerald leaves, a colorful symphony begins. These are the gems of the tropical air, whose brilliant feathers and melodic songs bring the jungle to life with every beat of their wings. Red-headed trogon. They stay perfectly still for long periods, making them very difficult to spot in trees. Bali starling. Their bare blue skin around the eyes is as unique as a fingerprint. Lovebird. They sleep side by side with their partners to maintain their strong emotional bonds. Sun Kana. They are known for their playful personalities and can learn to perform simple tricks. Rainbow lorikeet. They travel in noisy, colorful flocks and feed almost exclusively on flower nectar. Banded broadbill. They weave massive, pear-shaped nests that hang dangerously low over forest streams. Blue-crowned motmot. They intentionally pluck their tail feathers to create a distinct racket-like shape. Crimson-rumped toucanet. They use their oversized bills to delicately toss and catch fruit while eating. Dusky thrush. They are incredibly hardy birds, often foraging in deep snow for hidden insects. Hooded pitta. They use their bright green plumage to blend perfectly into the sun-dappled forest floor. Pied butcherbird. They are incredible mimics, often imitating the songs of other birds and even mammals. Red-throated flycatcher. They are known for their vertical tail-flicking behavior while perched on forest branches. Rufous-tailed scrub robin. They have a characteristic habit of cocking and fanning their bright rufous tails. Parrot. They are one of the few bird species that can move their top beak independently. Peacock. Their magnificent tail feathers are covered in tiny crystals that reflect light to create color. Scarlet ibis. Their vibrant red color comes from the keratin in the shrimp they eat daily. Rising above the forest, we reach the realm of the great voyagers. Masters of the wind and guardians of the coast, these birds command the sky and the sea with unparalleled grace and power. Eagle. Their eyes are 4 to 8 times more powerful than those of a human. Falcon. They use a specialized tooth on their beak to quickly snap a prey's neck. Hawk. They can see ultraviolet light, which helps them track the urine trails of small rodents. Owl. Their feathers are specially designed for silent flight, allowing them to ambush prey undetected. Hornbill. The female seals herself inside a tree hollow with mud during the nesting period. Pelican. Their large pouches can hold up to 3 gallons of water, much more than their stomach. Penguin. They have a unique, blood shunting system that keeps their feet from freezing on ice. Seagull. They can drink both fresh water and salt water thanks to specialized salt glands. Heron. They sometimes use bait, like bread or insects, to lure fish within striking distance. Purple gallinule. They have incredibly long toes that allow them to walk across floating aquatic vegetation. Crested serpent eagle. They have specialized scales on their legs to protect them from venomous snake bites. Collared falconet. They are the smallest birds of prey in the world, barely larger than sparrows. We now descend into a world of endless blue. From the sunlit surface to the dark, silent depths, the waters of our planet hide incredible creatures whose lives remain a beautiful mystery. Dugong. They are the only strictly herbivorous marine mammals, grazing exclusively on seagrass. Sea lion. They can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes while diving for food. Arapaima. They can stay out of water for up to 24 hours by breathing air. Gourami. They have specialized feelers on their bellies to sense their surroundings in murky water. Piranha. They are attracted to the sound of splashing water, which they associate with falling fruit. Ray. Some species have specialized organs that can generate an electric discharge to stun prey. Seahorse. They are the only species where the male carries and gives birth to the young. Lobster. They can live for over 100 years and do not show typical signs of aging. Crab. Some species can regrow lost limbs over time through a process called molting. Starfish. They do not have blood, instead, they use a water vascular system to move. Squid. They use jet propulsion to move backward through the water at high speeds. Soft-shell turtle. They can breathe through their skin while submerged at the bottom of a lake. Turtle. They have existed on Earth for over 200 million years, predating many dinosaurs. Blue whale. Their heartbeat is so loud it can be detected from miles away underwater. Gharial. Their long, thin snouts are specifically designed to move quickly through water to catch fish. Beaver. Their orange teeth are naturally reinforced with iron, making them exceptionally strong. Otter. They hold hands while sleeping in the water to prevent their families from drifting apart. As our journey nears its end, we look closer at the hidden wonders that thrive in the shadows. These are the small, the scaly, and the stealthy masters of the night, proving that even the smallest life is extraordinary. Chameleon. Their eyes can rotate and focus independently to watch two different objects simultaneously. Gecko. They can detach their tails to distract predators and later regrow them completely. King cobra. They are the only snakes that build nests and actively guard their eggs. Rattlesnake. Their rattles are made of the same protein found in human hair and fingernails. Frog. They use their sensitive skin to drink water instead of swallowing it through their mouths. Firefly. Their light is the most efficient in the world, producing zero heat energy. Ladybug. Their bright red color serves as a warning to predators that they taste bitter. Rhinoceros beetle. They can lift objects that are 850 times heavier than their own body weight. Moth. They use the moon and stars to navigate during their long nocturnal flights. Leech. They produce a natural anesthetic so their hosts cannot feel them biting or feeding. Earthworm. They have 5 pairs of hearts that help circulate blood throughout their long bodies. Tortoise. They can live for over 150 years, making them some of the oldest land animals. We hope this journey brought you peace. Close your eyes, relax, and let the sounds of nature gently guide you to sleep.